Hi everyone, today we are making baked pasta, the baked cheesy pasta. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. We have fusilli pasta here. You can see this. This is approximately bowl. We have this frozen corns. I'll boil this. This is all-purpose flour or maida. We have hot milk here. We have capsicum. We have the pasta mix. Chili flakes, we have butter, and we have cheese, and we have tomato sauce. So let's start cooking now. I have kept here the water to boil. We'll boil the pasta. I'll add some oil in that so that the pasta doesn't stick. Approximately a tablespoon of oil. I'll add little salt. The water has become hot now, and I'll add the pasta. So give a quick stir in between while it's boiling. Approximately it will take around 10 to 15 minutes to boil, so we'll wait till then. So our pasta is cooked now. You can see this. So best way to check it is eat it and see. We do not have to overcook it. I'll switch off the flame now and transfer it to a sieve, and then we'll pour cold water on it. So now you can see I have removed the pasta in the sieve and pour cold water on it so that the cooking stops, and we'll just mix it like this. So now let's see how to make the white sauce. I have heated the pan here. The flame is very low. Keep it on a low flame only, and possibly take a non-stick pan. So we'll add butter first. Take good amount of butter. Let it melt. We'll now add the all-purpose flour, maida. I'll saute it. So we'll have to saute it till all the maida is dissolved in the butter. Ensure that the butter doesn't burn and no lumps are formed. So you can see everything is melted properly. The all-purpose flour is also mixed up properly, and there's a nice aroma which is going around with the mixture of both, and the color is also changed. At this point of time, we'll add milk, the hot milk, slowly by slowly, not at a time. So here I'm adding the milk now. We'll stir it. Ensure the lumps are not formed. Again, we'll add some milk. Stir it. So keep it stirring occasionally so that the sauce doesn't stick to the pan. At this point of time, we'll add the capsicum. Here. So the sauce will start thickening in some time. We'll add the corn. You can see I have not added the salt as of now. So let the sauce thicken up a little, we'll add the pasta also. And while boiling the corn and the pasta, we'd already added salt. The butter also has salt, and again we'll be adding some cheese. So all these ingredients have salt, so be very cautious while adding salt. Keep stirring it. Now I'll be adding the pasta mix slightly here. I'll add the chili flakes as well. Give it a good mix. So now you can see the sauce has started thickening. You can see this consistency. It has to thicken more. Now at this time we'll add the pasta, the cooked pasta. Give it a good mix. I'm adding a little pasta mix again. Little chili flakes. Give it a good mix. You can see it looks creamy now. Some more time to get the sauce a little thicker, and then we'll transfer it to a small glass bowl or a jar for baking. You can see the sauce is thickened now. See this? We'll cook it for another a minute or so. I forgot to say, I had added a little salt for taste, and now I'll cook it for a minute and I'll transfer it to a glass jar. So I have transferred the pasta to the microwave safe bowl, glass bowl. I'll add the grated cheese over it. Little. Now I'll add red chili flakes. I'll add red chili flakes. I'll add little sauce, slightly. If you don't like, you can skip it. So you can see I've added the sauce as well. Now again I'll add some cheese over it. Now again little chili flakes. And now we'll microwave it. So I've placed here in the microwave. We'll bake it for another say 2 minutes or so, not more than that, until the cheese melts. So we've baked the pasta in the microwave, and now it's ready. You can see the creaminess. The cheese is melted completely. I'll just show you. It looks yum. And now it's ready to eat. You can serve it hot. I hope you liked my video. Do like, share and subscribe, and let me know your comments. Thank you.